Best and available promo codes or discount code for Mercari website. To find it, simply click and search this on your Chrome, and then you will see the first website called noji.com. In this website, you have a lot of options, you have a lot of variety of discount and the promo codes. What you have to do is click on any one of the promo code you like simply, and then you can copy it. Now we will scroll to the second website, that is vthrift.com. In this website also you can see a lot of used and verified promo codes. Simply click on any one of it and then click on the copy code option, and yes, you can use it. Now the third website is offers.com. This is the leading website regarding the promo or discount code market. What you have to do is select any one of the promo code or discount code you like, click on the reveal code option, and from this menu you can simply copy the code and paste it where you want. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.